This area of student discipline, I think it's one of the areas that requires a lot of refocusing for all of us, to see on how we can be able to strengthen guidance and counseling in schools, introduction of mental health in schools, but we also want to focus, and I would like to call upon all the other stakeholders to focus on a robust program to address the issues that are relating to parenting.
The money that was given to school 18 years ago in 2008, which was 10,625, that was the first time that the capitation was introduced in schools. And the money given was 10,625. And that was when the program started. You find that capitation is almost the same that we get today, 25 years later.